Without a project manager, you need to coordinate contractors, chase quotes, schedule the work. You've got a property that needs to be refurbished and you're wondering, can I just hire a builder or should I find a project manager? Well, there is actually a third way. If you have the time and enthusiasm to oversee your own project but lack confidence or knowledge, then potentially being coached through the process could be a great solution, and you'll save some money too. A consultant or mentor can help guide you through the planning, budgeting and contractor selection and help you navigate regulations and avoid costly mistakes. Regular check-ins make sure that you're keeping your project on track and there's someone to call when things go sideways, because believe me, they go sideways at some point. In short, you stay in control, but with someone in your corner making sure that you don't make expensive rookie mistakes. Do not be under any illusions though. You'll be doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Without a project manager, you need to coordinate contractors, chase quotes, schedule the work, deal with unexpected problems on site, keep everyone on budget and on time, manage health and safety. If you want to be hands-on and you've got the time to invest and you want to save money, then a project consultant could be perfect. But you need to be honest with yourself. If this list stresses you out, then potentially you do actually need a project manager. Either way, I can help you out. So if you want to chat about the best option for you, then please send me a DM and book a call today.